What if you could build apps with digital plus real world? ARCore allows developers build AR apps for Android. Benefits of ARCore for app development are: 1. ARCore make AR apps for Android, iOS, 500M plus devices. 2. ARCore creates realistic AR experiences with 3 features: motion tracking, environmental understanding, light estimation. 3. ARCore offers more features for developing more immersive AR apps. 4. ARCore uses various language or tool for developing AR apps, such as Java, Unity 3D, Unreal Engine, AR Foundation. ARCore empowers developers to create immersive AR experiences. Augmented reality is a cutting-edge trend in software application development. Our team consists of developers who are developing an AR app using ARCore. Click to know more.